where is it? The ash fell on me. Come on, you alright? Come on. It's just ash. Come on.
Grab it right here.
It's not funny.
Ready? What?
The ash fell on him. You be alright. Come on. He got it. Let him get it. Use a different. Oh, there you go. Look at it.
Look at it. Look. No poop sound? We finna throw sound though.
And I can try.
Throw it in the
You
air.
ever do one of these?
I ain't gonna lie. We can throw that in the air now. The one Prince did?
Don't sound like gunshots. I'm not playing with my legs like that.
Get it.
You just did.
Put it in the bottom.
Put that.
All right. Get your lighting stick. Get one from Lee. Get one from Lee.
Don't hold it. How you light it?
There you go. Good job. Look at it.
Hey, can I throw it?
Give it back to Leah, Ma. You got it? Don't drop them on the floor, because if they fall out, y'all gonna mess them up. See what I'm saying? Children, you already dropped. How many shots fell out already?
3.
Y'all see the fuse? Very little. Right there in the corner.
Corner?
Right there.
Yeah, I see it. You can step
Same thing.
on the down.
Ooh.
Why didn't I leave until like July?
Daddy, let me get another one. Hey, watch out.
This one?
There's only one more.
You might do it.
Watch out. Here, take the thing. Take it. No, take the other one. Yeah. Hold it. So tiny. See what I'm saying? I'm telling you to move.
You alright? You alright?
You gotta light it with things.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here Monday.
At the same time.
Y'all move. Back up. No. Who didn't get theirs off?
I didn't get mine. Wait.
That's just throw this in trash.
Yeah, it's fine. Watch out, y'all. Lee, you didn't want to do it? I mean, come pick this bottle rocket up. Get up under it. There you go. All right, what y'all rate the bottle rocket?
Which one?
This one.
Bottle rocket? It's like,
Yeah.
it just go. That's like a, yeah, that's like
Hold on with those, Kamari. Come on, by me. Y'all, everything on the back of the red slingshot is popped already? Y'all say what? Last bottle rocket. So what y'all rate the bottle rockets?
Bottle rocket.
Kind of like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Need a pop, boy.
What y'all rating them?
Like a 4.
Look, that's why you see it's ash on there. That's why he got burnt, because you gotta see it just burnt me because the ash just fell on my finger. You gotta hold them sideways so the ash don't sit on there.
Come on, Birdie, what you doing?
I haven't been feeling it.
See how you gotta hold it like that. When it turn white, that means the ash is gonna fall. If it falls, it'll burn you if it hit your skin.
You don't smoke? Obviously not.
Like, all right, what we got next?
I think we got the big ones.
These little things.
Them sparklers. All right, let's see. Get the Spider-Man bag. Bring the bag.
Isn't that Miles?
All right. We're gonna do the Pokeball.
Lee.
Lee, we ain't seen Lee do nothing yet, huh?
The Pokemon.
Make it big.
I didn't know you still had those.
Make it big. Fluffy? Pikachu?
Y'all gonna probably want to get y'all phones for this one and back up.
Hold on, Lee, hold up.
Wait, Lee, chill.
All right. Touch the top of it, Lee, not the side of it. Gotta catch them all. That Pokeball, one of my favorites. Get back up. All right, what y'all rate the Pokeball?
That was an 8. I messed with it.
8 ball?
Yep.
9.
What you rate?
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
What y'all rate the Pokeball?
7.
Yeah, it's 7, 6 out of 10.
7. Oh, so.
8.
All right.
What
else we got up in there?
You say a 3?
Daddy want coward one up.
Big boys.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, gorilla bombs.
We got some.
Big ones.
Big John.
We got some time bombs. Do these?
Let's get gorilla.
The ladybug. The ladybug.
We might want to do one?
I want to do one of the ladybugs.
Let do one of the gorilla bombs.
What? These?
Yeah, y'all can do the time bombs first.
All right.
Can I do the gorilla
So,
bug?
you want to do one of these?
Yeah. Wait, how you supposed to do it? You have to hold it.
Open them up. Savon, open them one of them gorilla bombs.
Here.
Me one first?
So, you want to do this one or no?
How you do
You
it?
talking about that one?
Light it. Put it
Nah,
in.
the big boy,
Ladybug.
the big box.
Oh.
This one.
Is it gonna burn?
We don't know.
We
Let's see.
gotta put it on the ground.
Yeah, we don't know.
Here, come on. Lee.
Got my stick. Have a stick.
When it's your turn.
Should I hold it?
Nah, just put it on the ground. We don't know what it's gonna do.
Come here. You got the thing. Or you got it.
Dang! What y'all rate that?
That was 8. That was 7. I'm gonna
7.
throw it up.
You got it.
You got 10 points.
Oh. A 6, 7. You gotta do the big dogs. That's why. A 6, 7 out of 4 and a 6. We need to do the big dogs. I'm a big Where's the ladybugs go?
Can we do this one right here?
The only way to open it is to take the top off.
Not open these.